Hello, I just want to make a short video for new users that are coming to my excuse me, to my YouTube channel. I've been doing YouTube teachings for many, many years. And as you can imagine, when I first started, I possessed a different awareness than I do today. And so I'm going to encourage you, if you're following me, if you're new to what I'm teaching, and you've heard me say some other things on my Facebook Live, I would encourage you to only start where we started teaching no penal substitution, because everything before that is based on what we would call a redemptive view, which means that man was so bad that God had to send his son and allow his son to go to the cross and die on behalf of us. And I don't teach from that understanding anymore. So if you're going to follow me and follow my teachings, of course, you can go to my recent Facebook videos that I'll leave on Facebook, but also start at the beginning teachings on no penal substitution and go forward from there. Or you can just start where I've started teaching the spiritual code and symbology of the living word, because that's more on awareness where I'm at right now. So I appreciate you coming to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate if you would follow me or put like, because it pushes me up more in the algorithm where more people can see them. So I hope you have a great day. Thank you.